I love noodle bowls for dinner. I can change up the ingredients almost as often as I change my clothes. These are soba noodles, which are buckwheat and wheat. They're really common in Japanese food, but I'm gonna pair them with a peanut sauce. There's one more ingredient that we need, and that's my little friend tofu. So this needs to be cooked. So I'm gonna use coconut oil, which actually comes from like the flesh of coconuts that's just pressed. And sometimes it's refined, which is really great for pan frying. But the unrefined stuff is really awesome in baking. So I want to see this get nice and golden and toasty on every side. Kind of smells like a summer vacation. A little pinch of cilantro. Those are looking pretty good. Over my noodles. And it's totally okay if the noodles get a bit cold, because we're gonna sauce them up anyways. We're gonna have all of those lovely hot veggies. No big deal. Now to get my veggies going. A little more of this, because it smells so good and it tastes so good. I don't want my garlic to brown. I just want to give it a bit of a head start before the broccoli goes in. Now they're gonna join their little lonesome friends. Those are looking good. Time for my veggies to meet my noodles. Yes. Did I mention there was going to be peanut sauce? Yeah, it's time for peanut sauce. Some natural peanut butter, none of that sugary stuff. Some rice vinegar, a little more coconut oil, and some soy sauce or tamari, whatever you got lying around. And then a little sweet. But I'm gonna chop my garlic up just a bit finer so I don't actually set my mouth on fire. That's a bit better. Now let's lamb this baby up. Ooh, I'm working hard for this one. See, this is where the decadence comes in. Look at that creamy, wonderful sauce. I almost forgot there was noodles under there. That's the ratio I like. Lots of tofu, lots of veggies, lots of sauce. Because you can never have too many peanuts or lime. I love that this dish has so many of my favorite flavors. The garlic, the peanut butter, the lime. That's the decadence for me. Decadence in flavor, but it's so healthy. I love how fresh this looks. It's creamy, sweet, salty. When food is this decadently healthy, you don't have to worry about overindulging. Just enjoy.